to Corina's mix. Finally got around to it, Corina. I'm so sorry. Oh, it has been so many incidents, but yeah. Oh, Linda, hello, my dear friend. Oops. I just wanted to tell you that you're so awesome. You are awesome too. You support my family channels and always share all the love possible. You are truly adored by me and my little ones. We all love you, darling. I'm so glad to have you in our lives. Oh, your friend Corina. That's just the way I feel also. Always makes me smile. And you always put a big smile on my face. You are just so adorable. I love you. And this is your Tinkerbell this is your Pirate Fairies group stop. Yeah. And this was your first one also. And you got Tinkerbell or Fairy packing. That is quite... It's amazing how you have found it. And made in USA. Can you see that? Can you see that? Made in USA. Of course I have peeked at the other girls' swaps and I just couldn't wait to open this one because this is just amazing. You have done everything by hand, even draw every girl's fairy. You are just Pirate Fairy Cutie. So that's my name, is it Fairy Cutie? You are so, dearest Linda, Pirate Fairy map. And thank you for joining me, Scurvy crew. I hope you had a grand adventure with me and our Scurvy crew. Now all you had to do is check your map to sail to Neverland's Seas. Watch out for the Skullways Crux. I'll Jimmy Hardy. We shall set sail and ship out into Pixie Hollow. Alright, your Scurvy's crew, Captain Corina Moore. Look at this handcraft, you are just... Oh, I don't want to open this, this is just so precious. Can I get this up? Oh, is it? Yes, I can. Oh, I have to say, I have to put this up on the wall too. I cannot put this away. This is so cute. Your handwriting is just... Oh, look at this. Look at this. It's a Netherland map and you have drawn everything. Shadowing and... Northwest, east, and you have got it right. Northwest and northeast and southeast and southwest. You are a great girl. And this is the second star, Skull Rock and Neverland. Oh, Hangman's Tree, Crocodile Creek, Pixie Hollow, and Indian Camp. We have to start here. the Neverland Sea. Oh, this is just so amazing. And this is from Sweet Nails Cherry Sea. Oh, it glows. Love for Silver Mist. Oh, yay. Yay, yay. Oh, she sent ribbons and... Oh, she swatched it. Ribbons and great jelly... jelly beans. Jelly stones. Oh, thank you, Sherry. And look at that beautiful... I have to zoom in when I start on this one. I love this blue mix. Lots of different blues. And what is that? Is that gold? And black. Kind of shreds. And tiny white stars. And there are butterflies in here. Silver butterflies. Oh, this is so beautiful and cute. The silver also, lots of silver, and this cute black. Beautiful mix, and yeah, of course she swatched it. Oh, this is so sweet. And this is such a sweet mix. I love this. I love this. Ooh, I love this, Sherry. Thank you. And this is Gabby Areas, and she put 2 crusted stones. Lots of clears in here now because it's getting darker. And she made a beautiful mix. Oh, this was beautiful. It's the fine red, or what are you calling that? Red? Yeah, it's red. It's a kind of dark red with silver and blue and silver tinsels and blue hexes. Oh, I made this verse for myself. And a teal. I love that mix. I really do. This is really beautiful when you mix it up really well. Oh, I love this. It's so different than anyone I could ever made. So that's the kind of... That's so funny with swaps, which you get things that you can never do yourself. And this is Tinkerbell by Rosita Kale. Thank you, Rosita. And the big green hexes and 2 cute silver stars. Oh, that were cute. Thank you. And this mix is so gorgeous. Big white hexes and some flowers. And lots of yellow squares and hexes and tinsels and holographic. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. And fine green here. Oh, this was a beautiful mix. Thank you, Rosita. And now we have Josie Richard. Pirate Fairy Swap. This is Vidya. So let's take a look at the video. And I got 2 of those stones. Thank you. Oh, this was beautiful. Look at those stars. Those are tiny. I never seen those stars so tiny before. It's a fine mix, but she has so many things that are fine and beautiful in here that... Oh, this is just an amazing mix. Yes, you can see the pink shreds and pink stars. And you have greens and teal. Oh, I love this. I really love it. Thank you. Thank you, Josie. And I have to clear the... I just have to look at this afterward. This is... And what is this said? MS... Oh yeah, Mouse. Mouse nails. Sorry. Sorry. I love... Oh, those are tiny. I love that. I don't have that. I haven't seen that either. Oh, thank you. And so many of them. Oh, you are so... Oh, I love that soft mix. Oh, this is a soft yellow with a hint of green in it. Maybe it's just the light, but... Oh, it's so beautiful. It's really soft. And really iridescent. And oh, what a beautiful soft mix. Oh, thank you. Thank you. And this is Corina. And this is a cool cool band. I don't know what you call... Oh, I know what it's called in Norwegian, but yeah, you can put it inside your... inside your nail, yeah. Encapsulated, yes, that's what I'm going to say. Pirate Fairy, Fawn, Sand Mix. And this is the sand. And she has a lot of... I'm going to shake the sand because the sticker covers up the bigger stuff. So let's see. Oh, she has a lot in here. This is the butterflies. And there are stars and silver stars and pink stars and pink flowers. And oh, you got a lot in here. A lot of pinks and a light orange and gold and bright orange and small fine tinsels. Great mix. Really great sand mix. Thank you, Corina. And thank you so much, Corina, for all your hard work. You have really gone out, and this is just awesome. Oh, can you just look at this map? Look at that crazy woman that has made this beautiful map. I just love you, Corina. You are a truly amazing woman. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for letting me join you in your swap. Thank you. I have finally opened it, and I was not... You cannot say that I was disappointed. I never would have been, but... Oh, you are so cute. Thank you. And thank you for watching. Bye bye, everyone. This is Nails of Norway. Bye bye.